You were the one with the voice, a distinct, authoritative, and confident voice that could be recognized from a mile away. I can't believe they took that voice away from you, from us. You used that voice many times to speak up against what's wrong, to comfort those in need, and to spread laughter and cheer. I can still hear the richness of your voice as I lament the wonderful years of friendship you gave me. Now that it is only the echo of your voice ringing in my ears, I realize I have the pressure of using my own voice to tell all these wonderful people gathered in your name that you were so much more than a headline, a hashtag, and another GBV article. You were fiercely independent, accomplished, top achiever who made an impact in every room she stepped in. A woman who wasn't afraid to challenge the status quo. A woman destined for greatness, and a woman I looked up to. One of those special people you only meet once in a lifetime. Thank you for the adventures, the laughs,
heavy hearts and trembling hands that we write these words, not because we like the words to honor you, Olorato, but because no words will ever be enough. How do you say goodbye to someone who was light? Someone whose mere presence warmed your spirit, whose laughter made life brighter, whose brilliance made you proud just to know her. Olorato was an amazing young woman, outstanding, brilliant, smart, a true go-getter, a powerhouse of potential and purpose. She walked with grace and determination, chasing dreams and inspiring everyone she touched to reach higher. Her success was no accident. It was the result of her relentless spirit and unshakable faith. She was a force, but also a gentle soul, filled with love, light, and kindness. To have Olorato in your life was to receive one of God's grace. It's impossible to accept that this is real, that we are writing a tribute, that we are saying goodbye. But how do you say goodbye to someone who should still be here, to someone whose story feels unfinished? To Mama Bobby and the family, we are so incredibly sorry. Sorry to you that you had to lose your precious daughter, your son, your shining light.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So lana abe memorial service ya Olorato Mongale yesterday, and laba bangani bakhe bakhuluma ngaye about the kind of a person that she was. Guys, kubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi impilo ayemuntu omncane futhi lone bright future ahead of her, ivele ikhathwe so short njena. Kubuhlungu kakhulu guys. All she wanted was love, but wahlangana nema-monster alathatha impilo yakhe njalo nje. So kubuhlungu kakhulu. People are saying ukuthi they want a justice for Olorato. Some people are even saying ukuthi ngazuthi lento yokuthi bantu babanjwe baboshwe, it really doesn't work, because uthola umuntu sowuphumile, you don't understand ukuthi uphume njani, bakutshela ukuthi ayibail yo. It's just discourages a lot of people ukuthi ijustice yala Mzansi iyasifailisa. Hence why kuhlala kunema-rape cases, murder cases, yonke lento le, because ijustice it's really failing us. Hence why people were saying ukuthi akubuye isigwebo senzamba, kube isigwebo senzamba la khona umuntu makatholakala khona ukuthi wende lokufana naloku, ubulele utshontshile wendeni akabulawe. The main suspect iqaleni ngena alake Olorato, the guy that she was going on a date with, uphila ngenkosi, bambambile lapha eManzimtoti, wathi makadubulana nemaphoyisa bamdubula bamsusa, meaning ukuthi he's no more. That's a good thing. Etimeni letinjalo we know ukuthi engeke umbone lo muntu ngaphandle, ngeke umbone sekaphumile, bambulele, meaning ukuthi uOlorato ijustice uyitholile, but kusafuneka ubongani noFezile. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.